You're looking at Lesson 1A, Distributive Properties Using Negative Numbers, Simplifying Pre-Algebraic Expressions. But in this lesson, we are going to be using small numbers so we can grasp and understand how to do this a lot better. Now, here are the rules. With two numbers, the rules for multiplying and dividing positive and negative numbers are not only simple, but they're also the same for both operations. When multiplying or dividing two numbers, if the two signs are the same, the result is positive. And if the two signs are different, the result is negative. Let's look at example A and B. Let's look at example A first. Here we have 5x minus negative 3 times the quantity 5x minus 2 equals 66. Okay, so you have 5x minus 3 times negative 3 times 5x is negative 15, and negative 3 times 2, negative and a negative is a positive, so we have positive 6 equals 66. Now, positive x minus 15x is negative 10x plus 6 equals 66. Negative 10x, if we subtract 6 from this side, you have to subtract it from that side. So negative 10x equals 60, x equals negative 6. A negative and a positive results in a negative. Let's look at example B so we definitely understand what's going on. In B, we have negative 2x plus 3 times the quantity x minus 8 equals negative 16. Now, we have negative 2x plus 3 times x is 3x minus, or 3 times 8 is negative 24, because we have a positive times a negative, equals negative 16. Negative 2x plus 3x, subtract 2x, you have x minus 24, okay, equals negative 16. Now, subtract 24 from this side, or you add 24 from this side, and you have to add it over here, so x equals 8. X equals 8, both are positive. Okay, hopefully that made some sort of sense. Now, if you look carefully, you'll notice you have six problems to work with, and they're pretty straightforward. If you would, please pause the video first, and then complete the lesson, then continue playing the video, and we will provide you with the answers. If you would, please pause the video now. Thank you. Okay, welcome back. Let's scroll down here and see how well we did. Let's look at problem number 1. Here we have negative 5x minus 10x, because we have 2 times negative 5x, that's negative 10x, and 2 times 8 is 16, equals 91. Negative 5x and negative 10x is negative 15x plus 16 equals 91. And negative 5x equals 75. You have to subtract 16 from here and 16 from here, so we have 75. And divide this side by 15, and divide this side by 15. It's a negative, and x equals now negative 5. Let's look at number 2. Here we have 5x minus 8x minus 36 equals negative 6. Okay, negative 4 times 2x is negative 8x, and negative 4 times the quantity 9 is negative 36. 5x minus 8x is negative 3x, minus 36 equals negative 6. 3x equals 30, and by doing that, we simply add 36 over this side, add it over here, so 3x equals 30, divide negative 3x into 30, x equals negative 10. Let's look at the next one. Negative 2x plus 8x minus 14 equals 46. Okay, here we have 2 times 4x, that's 8x, and 2 times 7, the quantity 7 is negative 14, so negative 2x plus 8x, right, is going to give us 6x, minus 14 equals 46, and 6x equals 60 because we have to add 14 to this side, we add it to this side, so 6 goes into 60, x equals positive 10. Let's look at this one, problem number 4. Here we have negative 6x plus 4x plus 24 equals 6. Okay, so since we have 4 times x, that's 4x plus 4 times 6 is 24. Negative 6x plus 4x is going to be a negative 2x plus 24 equals 6. Negative 2x equals 18. We have to subtract 24 from this side, subtract it from here. So we have negative 18. Negative 2x goes into a negative 18. So the answer is going to be positive. X equals 9. Let's look at problem number 5. Here we have 4x plus 4x minus 8 equals 88. Okay, the reason we have that, we have negative 4 times negative x. That's going to be positive 4x. And negative times a positive is negative 8. All right, so plus x plus 4x equals 8x. Minus 8 equals 88. 8x equals 96. We had to subtract 8 from, or add 8 to this side, so we have to add it over here. So 8x equals 96. Divide 8 into 96. X equals 12. And the last problem, we have 3x plus 6x minus 24. Okay, here's your 3x. 3 times 2x is positive 6x, and 3 times 8 is negative 24. Negative 24 equals negative 28. 3x plus 6x equals 9x, minus, or negative 24 equals negative 78. 9x equals negative 54. We have to add 24 to this side. We add it to this side. So 9x equals negative 54. Divide negative 54 by 9x. X is equal to negative 6. Positive into a negative. Okay, hopefully your answers matched ours, and we want to thank you for watching our video.
That's all, folks.